Approx when college newly started, we had a freshers party. Okay, in that freshers party, pura NMMS ka crowd tha. So that's where I met him for the first time. And we just were dancing and everything. And that time, I think him and my best friend were like friends or something. After that, I think 2 days after the event, he came up to me and he's like, "Hi Suzanne, do you want to go for a drive and everything?" And then I was like, "Bro, मैं इसको जानती भी नहीं." I didn't even know that he's like popular or anything on Insta, okay? Because we did not follow each other back then. So after that we went on a drive, and then he's like fully hitting on me. And he used to flirt with my best friend, okay, by the way, that time. He used to flirt with one of my very close friends, and he used to like tell her to come over and this, all of that, and I did not know about it. I low-key had no idea about him like calling my best friend over and everything until we both had that convo that I was like, "Bro, I think I'm starting to like Shiv." And she's like, "Waisa?" And I was like, "Kya hua bhai?" She's like, "Bro, he's literally like flirting with me and shit." फिर उसके बाद he just started spreading rumors about my best friend that she's such a liar. Because she came and she told me that he's flirting with her, so he just started ruining her name. सब जगह जाके he's telling everyone that she's a liar, this that. ठीक है? And yeah, wait 1 second. फिर उसके बाद he started creating hate between me and my best friend, okay? And then he used to, oh my god, this is very inappropriate. I'm not sure if I should be saying this in public, but when him and I newly started talking, he used to ask me and be like, "Have you ever seen your best friend naked?" Bro, like he used to ask me, "Have you ever seen your best friend naked?" And I was like, क्या बोल रहे? बोलते कि नहीं, मतलब ऐसे ही I'm just thinking like, is it real or does she like post? Because there are people who post themselves on their Insta. So he used to be like screenshot, like he used to ask me that did she edit it or is it real? Bro, you are showing, this is bad. Someone कि भाई तेरी best friend का तूने body parts देखा है क्या? This is so bad. And then I used to be like, what the fuck, no? And he's like, तो क्या फायदा? Blah blah blah. And I'm like, Bro, they're also interested. इनको सब पता है, ठीक है? And then after that, he just started dissing her बहुत ज़्यादा. पता नहीं क्यों इतना hate करता था. Then him and I became close. And then उसके बाद there was this one girl in my college, okay? He used to body shame her a lot. Like while he was, starting having something with me, he used to be like, I would like, I don't even know, fuck it, anyways. Then after that we hung out once, and uske baad he wanted to go out with me second time. I don't think if I have a video, but yeah, he got me flowers, okay? And I was like, okay, this guy is so sweet, he's so nice, he's so genuine. हर लड़का वैसे ही होता है साथ में, let me tell you all, okay? And then we went out, and then he was, guys, can you all? And then we went out, and then we were talking, and then he started talking about his ex. I was like, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, tell me. And then he's shit talking about his ex. He's like, bro, she was so toxic, she used to do this, she used to do that. And listen to me. He used to beat his ex up. He used to literally, Shivpreet used to beat his ex up. She used to go to college with bruises on her body and on her face. So उसकी ex के जितने भी close friends हैं, they're still in my college, and they used to warn me that, bro, don't go for him and all of that. And I don't know why I went. And let me tell y'all, we went clubbing once, and I had few drinks, okay? Because I was with all of my girlfriends and I was with him. And at that time, I thought I could trust him because when you're with somebody, you can trust them and everything. So I drank thoda sa, okay? And then he fucking slapped me. Bro, look at the reaction. Bro. Oi. He used to hit his ex-girlfriend, okay? And then he tried fucking... bro. Oh my god, did you see your live?
वो लाइव देख रहा है.
और see your live. क्या करने का try कर रहा है भाई? क्या करने का try कर रहा है? What the fuck is Prishti doing there?
Okay, the ex she's talking about right now. The ex she's talking about right now. The ex I used to hit. The ex I used to hit. She texted me today morning. She's like, call me, is everything okay? Bro, she's literally my friend. The ex she's talking about, the one I used to hit and abuse. She's one of my closest friends. I hang out with her.
वो अपनी लाइव देख रही है.
देखने दे. अब मैं खोलूंगा मुंह. अभी now listen. He said कि मैं उसकी बेस्ट पूछता हूँ ना कि बेस्ट मैं अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को I asked her कि if have you seen your best friend naked and all that. If she wants to go that in depth now, I will tell you. Bye. Does Suzanne kiss her female friends or not?
Yes,
है ना?
she does.
Did she kiss her female friend in front of me? Yes.
Yes.
Secondly, when she does such sexual shit with her female friends, when जो लड़कियों को चूमना, what she does, I don't want to stoop so low. She does that. That's why I asked her like, have you seen her naked? Because the friend she's talking about, the edit pictures. I have seen a line behind the fucking her photo. ऐसे वाली line and I have seen her shoulder go out or like you know that shit what. So I asked her, do you edit? Does your friend edit and all that? That is out of the way. लड़कियों को चूमना, her thing. Secondly, her best friend, just she's trying to say like he asked my best friend, he was flirting with her and all that. Sanjana, I hope you know.
Shiv, okay, let me tell you थोड़ा more stuff. Can you mute it? Please, मैं distract हो रहा है. So, okay. Recently, oh fuck, y'all need to know this. Recently, okay, it was my birthday on 20th December. Okay, like 2-3 months ago. Okay, he fucking came to surprise me for his birthday dinner. क्या? What is he saying? Why the fuck is he mentioning my best friend's name? Anyways, so he.
I hope you know the shit Susanna said about you. Bro, and उसको इतना clout मिल रहा है. She's taking shit so out of context, bro. I was so done with this girl and you. Sanjana ko genuinely, bro. She's not picking up. I don't want to say it when she's not here.
संजना शायद उधर ही.
What is she saying? Abbe, I am going to tell everything that you've told me about Sanjana, her exes, all the stories that you've told me.
Meet her, बोलता है at a club. Bro, he met that girl at a fucking club and बोलता है मेरी दोस्त है उसको रात के 4 बजे मैं घर पे लेके बैठा हूँ. I was like, okay, then after I got really mad and then I just told him that bro, I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you and everything. I told him I don't want to talk to him. ठीक है? He was like, Suzanne, are you sure? Don't make impulsive decisions and everything. I was like, हाँ, I'm sure. उसके बाद, I was like, I'm done with you. ठीक है? I blocked him. And then I was expecting him to, you know, have थोड़ा सा remorse and come back or whatever. And bro, 2 days later he went and he fucked a girl जो वो उसको अपना best friend बोलता था. He fucked a girl जो उसकी girl best friend थी. Bro, literal fuckingly they. And I found out about this recently. ठीक है?
My old school best friend, fucking Farhan was there, Arav was there, we all were there. There was 5 people. You guys are the best. I will stay here. We're gonna. Abey, bro, look at the shit I've got cooking, bro. You all are gonna love this shit.
अभी तू बोलना किसको फक किया है भाई.
मैं बोलूं
सारे फक बता दे. इसके चल नाम लेना है. सारे फक के लेने नाम.
रुक जा. इसके सब इसका पूरा खोलता हूँ मैं. She's stooping too low.
नाम भी ले लूंगा भाई मैं. I don't give a fuck.
रुकना. उसका लाइव कितना है? 3,000.
भाई कब से फक कर रही है भाई. उसको कोई फक दे दो जाके प्लीज.
उसको फक दे दो भाई. जिससे फक चाहिए वो तो नहीं मिल रहा उसको. वो तो उसके बारे में तो बुराई कर.
उसके नहीं मिल रहा.
पेशेंस
भाई अब
क्या बोली
उसके
क्या उसके पहले क्या बोला? भाई मेरा वो खोलना, फेस टाइम खोलना तेरा ना, वो वीडियो.
ओए हाँ, अरे तेरे फोन में नहीं है.
कौन से फोन में? ये फोन में.
दोनों में होगा शायद.
2 weeks ago she's sending videos to me saying she misses me. 2 weeks ago.
And she sends a chat like वो बोलते हैं ना क्या बोलते, let's
Hakuna Matata.
कौन भाव देने वाला है बता, कौन भाव देगा? I want Sanjana on her life, भाई. I want Sanjana on my life. She will answer. Call her again. Genuinely call her again, please.
Make a call from her.
I don't have it.
तो उनसे लेना.
Call her, भाई. Sure, this is her.
म्यूट कर दिया है. बार-बार म्यूट क्यों जा रही है सुजैन?
They have to cook up the lies. The biggest lies was that I slapped her, but I fucking never touched this girl only. Whose lap was... सब मैं बोलूंगा, उसका होने दे, उसका एंड होने दे. When she watches my life, I will start talking about everything she's done. Well, she's crying on FaceTime, but bro's like,
This is so bad. Imagine who would do that lifting? You are a girl. No, actually, you're a girl. You're seeing a guy, and that guy is coming and asking you that, bro, they want to take a best friend or have you seen her body parts?
what do you expect? You're out here fucking kissing random ass women. उसने कहा है, she's trying to cook shit. उससे बन नहीं रहा, खाना नहीं बन रहा उससे भाई, उससे नहीं बन रहा है.
घर जाके मैगी बनाया अभी. लिपस्टिक पे आ गई तेरी. अबे उसको बोल मेरे दारू के पैसे वापस दे भाई.
रुक जा भाई, देगी.
वो दारू पिलाया भाई मैंने क्लब्स में भिखारी को. भिखारी भाई भिखारी.
पैसे तो रहते नहीं उसके पास कभी भाई देने को.
कभी फक्स कर दिया.
Let her talk.
2000 जीबे.
And he didn't do this once, he did it twice. He fucking took me to Sephora to buy a lipstick for himself 2 बार. And उसका जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है वो भी पूछता है कि कौन सा लिपस्टिक यूज करता है, भाई मुझे भी खरीदना है. भाई तुम लड़के हो कि क्या हो? Oh, it's this. I'm not promoting. It's not sponsored though. But it's this, and it's a proper lip tint or whatever.
What is she trying
Pink
to
lips?
do?
No. You
तुम क्यों कर रहे हो गांडू को?
अबे because she's cooking random shit. कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं बेचारी के पास. I feel bad for her at this point.
तुम मना क्यों कर रहे थे? पहले तो आपको ढूंढी हो.
I'm not promoting. It's not sponsored though.
अबे bro, she looks like a fucking 2 on 10. She's as heavy as a fridge. अबे मेरे को रहने दे भाई. Bro.
Hey guy. On that.
अबे I don't wanna.
With me, but I don't even know how many girls. And to just fucking and just become a better man. What? Oh, also, let me tell you one more incident. So this happened one day before I was going to Thailand. We went clubbing, okay, because I was like, I'm going to leave. I won't be there for like 10 to 15 days. So we went clubbing together, okay. And this one more friend of mine tagged along. Follow me after this because I'm not getting anything out of.
Guys, this is yesterday evening on call. Dhairya just secretly recorded something, okay? And Susan was not aware that I was in the same. So Susan wasn't aware that he's gonna send that shit to me, okay? But he slowly recorded everything, and she wasn't aware that he's recording, and he sent this to me yesterday itself, okay? This is going to end her case. She's not like I'm doing this because you are bad and all that. I'll tell you why she's doing this. Listen carefully, very carefully.
Start.
From yesterday's video, date लिखा है yesterday. देखो yesterday. Just
talk to him in person about this. You know, like इससे देखो क्या कहाँ जा रही है बात? मेरे को ये होता है इससे देखो क्या मिल रहा है? इससे देखो क्या मिल रहा है? Like online डालने से देखो what are you getting out of it? You're getting support. You're getting.
Did you hear that? One second.
You're getting support. You're getting.
बोर हो रहा था इसको भाई. उसको बोर हो रहा था.
बोरियत में.
And I don't know, my mom just hates him so much, and he's like, Susan, can I come to your house? I want to play piano. भाई मतलब तू मेरे साथ इतना बुरा करेगा फिर देखो मेरे घर आना है पियानो बजाने.
But we are all so proud of how well you're dealing with it because, matlab, I mean, you don't even look like you've been through all of that. You're so sporting. Abhi bhi, exactly. Abhi bhi, you're. Fuck you, Pookie. Abhi bhi.
For this shit, मेरा नाम बदल देना कसम से. Get more followers out of this fucking shit.
तू मेरे साथ बुरा करेगा तेरे को मेरे घर आना है पियानो बजाना.
Abel, literally 1 week ago, we were in a car together, her and I, and we were making plans about playing the piano together and all of that. Only 1 week ago, bhai, ye kyun kar rahi hai? I do not get it.
उसके दोस्तों को दोस्तों को देख कौन कौन है छूते हैं.
इनके दोस्त की शक्ल
Saying it with a smile on your face, and that proves how strong you are. Okay,
whatever happened, you're so strong, like so strong that you had so much balls to go out in public and talk about all the fucking private texts and chats and all of that we had. You have no fucking shame. You've stooped so low. All I want to say is that I would have never stooped so low, bhai, even if anyone did.
दर्द भी लिख रहा देख बोर हो रहा था ना.
बोर हो रहा था.
सुजान को लाइफ में लेना भाई, वो हाइड क्यों करके रखी है भाई? उसको बोलना ऐसे बात कर ले भाई.
उसको बोलना, हाँ, tell her to come. Tell her to come.
Fucking join.
Go tell her, everyone, most of her, go to her life
Tell her to
and ask her to come here.
कोई बात कर, मैं कुछ नहीं बोल.
This whole getting physical with this girl after my birthday thing now. So this one second. I don't even know what to say honestly. So this whole this girl that he got physical with after my
क्या?
सारी लड़कियां
Bitch bro. अबे इसको नहीं लेके गया, नहीं से रो रही है भाई.
हाँ, इसको घर नहीं लेके गया इसलिए.
अच्छा हुआ नहीं लेके आया.
अबे नेक्स्ट टाइम तेरे को लेके जाएगा वो, ठीक है?
Next time, oh wait, tell her next.
There is no next time भाई. There is no next.
नहीं, next time I'll take you. Next time I'll take you, पक्का.
Fucking bitch.
Next time club to house I will take you, भाई. Look at her face, bhai. Look at, bhai. She looks like a fucking grandmother. She looks like a grandmother.
110 fat ass cow.
Negative cancer tilt, fucked skin, forehead, hair on her forehead. अबे छोड़ भाई.
She's double your size bro.
उसके लेवल पे नहीं जाना. See, I genuinely भाई मैं क्या बताऊँ? Y'all believe whatever y'all wanna believe, ठीक है? I have said जो भी मुझे बोलना था, और भी बहुत कुछ है. As said before, I will make a different video of it, ठीक है? And yeah, that's it. I'm making very clear I did not post all of that for cloud, for fake fame. मुझे नहीं चाहिए, genuinely. I just want everyone to know what he has done because right now I know who's the girl that he's doing this with, okay? And I just hope she comes across that reel and actually not do the mistakes that I have done.
Ori also knows the truth.
I'm still holding back a lot of shit, guys. I'm still holding back so much shit. I don't want to get like, you know how she's spoken about like our personal chats and everything. मुझे नाइट चाहिए था तो क्यों कर रही है ये करने से क्या हो रहा है तेरे को?
अबे how does she have a fucking accent bro?
I just hope she comes across that reel and
No reel.
that I have done.
Ori also knows the truth.
Ori's legit on my side.
औरी को डीएम किया था बंदी ने भाई.
क्या?
अभी मेरे को लड़के का डीएम आया. वो मुझे she's texting Ori and shit. Shiv, people are
अबे
saying
कौन है?
people are saying don't hold back.
अच्छा कर लो.
Shiv, people are saying don't hold back.
रुक ना bro, ये बात कर.
रुकना, मेरे पास है ना यार.
I'm not going to stoop as low as her. I will not expose everything she said. She said some wild shit. And by
मुझे no idea है तूने
if everyone if her close ones find out about shit, then उसके लिए बुरा होगा. I don't know if I want to say it or not, but we'll see how out of hand the situation gets.
6-1.
She wants to like post some series and like make a series about it. Sure, go make a movie on me. But like, we're teenagers, bhai. At the end of the day, what do you expect? Huh? You've made mistakes, I've made mistakes. Everyone in this room has made mistakes. You know? All the shit happens at this age. And in every age, bhai. Everyone makes like certain mistakes. There is no fucking need to go out there and publicize. I am still telling you that there is time for you to revert and now get your fucking thoughts together, calm your ass down. In the heat of the moment, your friends are encouraging you and all that. Still, I have some respect for you. Ki stop this because I've spent time with you, and I know that why you're doing this is from a place of rage and frustration, ठीक है, and resentment. But this is not the right way to go. This is
All know how it is because it's so sad. It's like, you know, a guy draining your spark, just taking away your entire happiness and just ruining it.
He's saying,
He has proof of it. Oh God.
he's saying that 10 of us, all of us over here are lying and
All
we're all
भाई,
mad.
तुम्हें इन सब के नाम भी पता है क्या? मुझे बताओ.
He's saying that we are all lying. So only he.
I have proof for that also. ठीक है. See why you have to publicize it if you don't want anything from it. What is the point of publicizing it? Think about it. If you don't want anything from it, there's obviously a reason you're doing this. You either want people to think less of me, you either want to put my name down, you either want people to know about all the shit that, you know, we've done, we've spoken about. So kuch to reason hoga na bhai. Some reason na. You can't say I'm doing this because just essay, because nobody just does shit